What is the skin effect in the transmission line? Actually, the reason for getting the skin effect in the transmission line is it is because of non-uniform distribution of the flux linkages in the conductor. The main reason for getting skin effect is the main reason for getting the skin effect is non-uniform flux distribution. Non-uniform flux distribution in the conductor. Flux distribution. The main reason for skin effect is non-uniform flux distribution in the conductor, right? So the skin effect can be called as non-uniform distribution of the current throughout the conductor is called the skin effect. So what is the reason for getting the skin effect? This is for non-uniform flux distribution. This is because of non-uniform flux distribution in the conductor. In case of DC supply, in case of DC, the magnitude of the current is constant, then the current is uniformly distributed throughout the line. Therefore, the resistance RDC can be given as rho L by A. Therefore, the current will be uniformly distributed throughout the line. But in case of AC, alternating nature of the current, due to the rate of change of current, when switch is closed, then there exists a subtransient behavior. Therefore, the flux produced in the outer strand. So let us take this is a conductor. Because of the subtransient behavior of the current, when the switch is closed, the flux produced in the outer surface will be linking with outer periphery of the conductor and as well as inner periphery of the conductor. Therefore, in the outer periphery, you will be experiencing a self flux linkages, right? And the flux produced in the outer strand will link with inner strand also due to low reluctance offered. But in the inner strands, this flux will be linked with only inner strands only with inner periphery of the conductor, right? So in the outer periphery, you may be having self flux linkages only, but in the inner periphery, you may be experiencing the self flux linkages as well as mutual flux linkages. The self flux linkages is because of inner strands and mutual flux linkages because of outer strands, right? But whereas in case of outer periphery, only self flux linkages. Now it is clear that because of self flux linkages, let us take L outer, the inductance which is produced is L outer. But in case of inner periphery, the inductance is produced because of self flux linkages and mutual flux linkages. I can call it as L inner. Then the value of L inner is more than the value of L outer, right? So internal flux linkages are more in the internal side. Therefore, the current flowing through this inner surface is less when you compare with outer periphery, right? So therefore, the current is flowing more in the outer periphery of the conductors rather than inner periphery of the conductor. So this is called skin effect, right? The non-uniform flux distribution. This is the main reason is here, non-uniform flux distribution. The flux distribution in the outer periphery is different and the flux distribution in the inner periphery is different. Therefore, this is called non-uniform flux distribution. But whereas in case of DC, there will be uniform flux distribution. In case of AC, there is a non-uniform flux distribution. Hence, the skin effect will be existing. The skin effect will be existing.